Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix MO2 error in Shopee. Well, to do this you have to go to in the bottom right side corner, which is basically in the Me. This is your profile icon here. Scroll a little bit down and here you will find somewhere vouchers icon. So here today you can see that I have around 9 vouchers and I can use them only to compatible where this voucher is valid to selected products. I cannot use on every one of them. To know more about it, you can always read terms and conditions. So this is if you just click on TNC, you will get to read their terms and conditions or just tap on the voucher, right? So this is how you can do it, right? And once if you are facing this error, then this issue could be in the Play Store. If you haven't downloaded the latest version of Shopee, then just go to Play Store or App Store depending upon your operating system and download the latest version of Shopee. Now just follow this step tutorial very carefully. Go to the settings of your phone, go to the apps. Here we have to basically go to the app management. App management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. Once it get open, you have to search for Shopee. So this is Shopee, and here this is very important step. Go to the storage usage, clear the cache and clear the data. Once you clear the data, then you have to re-log in into the Shopee mobile application and then it will work perfectly fine. But make sure you just restart your phone before opening the Shopee app. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.